Window installation in Austin, Texas is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. With a variety of replacement windows, Austin options available, including vinyl windows, double-hung windows, and custom windows, Austin window contractors provide tailored solutions to meet every need. Whether you're considering window replacement or new window installation, choosing the right window materials and styles is essential for optimal performance and aesthetic appeal. Energy-efficient windows in Austin are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed with advanced window insulation and window efficiency technologies, ensuring that your home remains cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Austin window experts can guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the best energy-efficient windows for your specific needs. Vinyl windows. Austin offers a durable and low-maintenance option for homeowners seeking long-lasting window solutions. Known for their excellent insulation properties and resistance to weathering, vinyl windows are a top choice for window replacement projects in Austin. With a range of window designs and colors available, vinyl windows can complement any home style while providing superior energy efficiency. Double-hung windows. Austin provides a classic look with modern functionality, making them a popular choice for residential windows in Austin. These windows offer easy operation and cleaning, with sashes that tilt in for convenience. Double-hung windows are available in various window materials and styles, allowing homeowners to customize their window solutions to match their home's architecture. Custom windows. Austin allows homeowners to create unique window designs that reflect their personal style and preferences. Whether you're looking for specific window frames, window glass, or window styles, Austin window specialists can craft custom windows that enhance your home's curb appeal and functionality. Custom replacement windows Austin are an excellent choice for those seeking personalized window enhancements and upgrades. Window replacement. Austin services are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your home windows. From fixing broken window glass to addressing issues with window frames, Austin window replacement experts provide comprehensive window maintenance solutions. Regular window maintenance can prevent costly window replacements and ensure that your windows continue to operate efficiently. Home windows. Austin encompasses a wide range of window options, from traditional to contemporary window styles. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, selecting the right residential windows is crucial for both aesthetics and energy efficiency. Austin window contractors offer expert guidance on window designs and materials, ensuring that your home windows meet your specific needs and preferences. Window contractors in Austin, Texas, are skilled professionals who specialize in window installation, replacement, and repaint. With extensive knowledge of window materials and styles, these window experts provide top-notch window services to homeowners throughout the Austin area. Whether you're looking for window upgrades or new window solutions, Austin window contractors are equipped to handle all your window needs. Window glass. Austin is an important component of any window system, affecting both the appearance and performance of your replacement windows. Austin. From energy-efficient glass options to decorative glass designs, Austin window specialists offer a variety of window glass solutions to enhance your home's windows.